Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you and doing a tutorial using the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow and Volumizing Fiber Eyebrow Pencil. And I received the shades 4.5 and 4, and here's the packaging. It definitely matches all of Benefit eyebrow products. You get a spoolie on one end and an old school pencil on the other, which you have to sharpen. But I actually really love that idea and it brings me back. So let's go ahead and sharpen it, see how it works. I did notice that there is a plasticky kind of protection to the pencil, which is interesting. But here are the shades. 4 is the warmer side and 4.5 is my go-to, the cooler kind of deep brown, which I usually have as my go-to in any of the products. So here are my natural brows. I'm going to take the shade 4 and outline my eyebrows. Again, this is my first impression of this product, so I did notice that it is hard to be precise, but I do actually love the actual pigment and the way it turned out. So just bear with me. This is definitely a process. I'm filling it in now with 4.5 and I feel like it is definitely giving some potential, but let's go ahead and talk about this product. It retails for $25 and you get 0.042 ounces of product. There are 15 shades to choose from, including black, gray, blondes, and the natural finish shades. It is long wearing and waterproof, and what it is an easy to use volumizing brow pencil that combines fibers and powder, which adhere to the skin and hairs to volumize, fill, and define brows. As you can see, it was a total mess in my tutorial, but once I used that highbrow and cleaned it up, I am just so satisfied. And even on top of cleaning it up, I'm using a kind of C eyebrow pencil to clean that side up. But both sides, I'm going to spoolie it out and kind of perfect the natural kind of look because it is a bolder kind of finish, but also top it with the Gimme Brow in 4.5, and I'm just so impressed. Now what this product has or contains is a silk cotton tree fiber, which helps to visibly volumize, fill, and define, and a blended powder particles, which create soft, natural looking depth and fullness in a beautiful powder finish. Now this is the finished ending product that I created, and I'm actually super satisfied. This is close up and it looks very natural and bold at the same time. And from face view, I feel like it is just perfection, and I am definitely going to be using this. It did last almost 2 days before I washed it off just to see how long it lasted, and I worked out and everything, and it was just crazy. But that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys.